Yo, YouTubians, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Marcus X Hope, and I'd like to welcome you guys to my channel where we learn how to get financially and physically fit. Now, if that's something you like to get into, you're in the right spot. So go ahead and smash that sub button. And if you already smashed that sub button, thank you. So, it is July 16th, and we got to get in our weekly weigh-in, right? So, if you haven't watched my last video, I got you right up here. That was my birthday weekend, right? Or birthday week. And I was at 288, ended up finishing 288, 289, somewhere in there. Can't remember. But I know I messed up because I was kind of eating too many carbs, like the pizza. Yeah, that wasn't the move. But anyway, it was good though. But anyways, we're moving. All right, so this week, as far as food, I didn't take any pictures, but I kind of had those bros a lot for the week. They were convenient. I know I can get a serving of veggies in. Actually, I know I get 2 servings of veggies in because they're very generous. So I had those bros for the most part. I was still kind of doing OMAD with snacking in between. So OMAD is 1 meal a day. It's not a lifestyle that I'm trying to get into really. It's just I'm eating when I'm hungry. And if I'm not really hungry, then I'm not gonna force a meal right now. I'm not even calorie counting, I'm just going off how I feel. Once that number stops moving on the scale, that's when I'm gonna start calorie counting. All right guys, so it's time for me to show y'all my favorite workout of the week. So today we're gonna do a little bit of the leg press. So we're gonna do it a little differently. It's a German style leg press. So we're gonna do 10 reps, 10 sets. I know. Bear with me though. So the way we set it up is we're gonna do calf raisers first. I know I said leg press, but we're trying to destroy these legs. So calf raisers, and we're gonna do it 3 different ways. You're gonna do it with your foot facing forward, your heels neutral, and then you're gonna do it with your heels in, which I call duck feet, and then you're gonna do it with your heels out, which is I call pigeon toed. So you're gonna do 10 reps of that each. And then, as soon as you get done with your calf raisers, that's when we're gonna get into the leg press. Now with the leg press, you're gonna start with your heels off of the mat, and you're gonna press that way. So your heels are off, and then you're gonna bring your heels up to the neutral setting, just like you would any type. And you wanna stay within your shoulder width, by the way. So you're gonna press that one out 10 times, and then you're gonna do it with your toes off of the platform, and you're gonna press that way 10 times. So, depending on how much time you have, you can do, and I did it this way, you can do the calf raisers with your, the first set of calf raisers with your foot neutral, and then go through the leg press and then come back down. So you're getting a little bit more work on your legs. The pump was crazy. I should have took a picture, but the pump was crazy. You can do it that way. If you're pressed for time, do it the first way I said. So that was my favorite workout of the week. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for sure, because I can use all those thumbs up. All right, so now we got to get to the weight. So weighing in, I was kind of not necessarily nervous. I was like, it is what it is. Hopefully we went down. Hopefully we didn't stay the same. Either way, I don't want to gain. I end up being 286. So 286 for the week. We got a 3-pound loss. I'm happy, I'm excited. We're only going down from here. I did post my picture up on Facebook that I did with my shirt off, and to be honest, I got a whole bunch of love that I didn't think I was gonna get. I'm in a weight loss group in there, and I posted it, and it was nothing but love, and I appreciate that. So 5 more pounds to go before I have to take another photo, and I can't wait because I know I'm gonna look even better. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for the week, guys. I want to keep it short. So once again, get those likes up for me, get a thumbs up. We're trying to get better. We're going to build it as we fly. If you're on the journey, go ahead and post your results down on mine. Let me know what your channel is so I can go visit you. You come back here. We come going back and forth. You know what I'm saying? We build a community. We are the world. You know, obese world for me, but yeah. But anyways, that's all I got for y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and until next time. Oh, wait, whoa, slow it down. I got a few playlists for y'all. So if you're trying to get that financial game up, we over here. If you're trying to go ahead and get that weight loss down, we over here. Click on the playlist, watch all the videos, tell me what y'all think, make sure y'all subscribe, and then until next time, peace.